Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Python turtles to draw stuff. So, for example, the script right here draws a triangle. When I run it, I have a triangle now. If I quickly go and change a couple things, I can make it a square. We have a square. Now it's a rectangle. And there we go. So, alright. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So, to get started, pop open Python. I'm using Python 3. You can use Python 2, but it's different. So, yeah. And alright, and directly from the shell window, you can just go from turtle import asterisk. Sorry, I spelled turtle wrong. From turtle import asterisk. And then you can go forward 100, and immediately a window pops up and it goes forward 100. And then you can go right 80, forward 100, and it will immediately do that. So let me just move this turtle window where you can see it all the time, like so. It's a bit big. Let me just adjust my window sizes here. I love doing this. Okay. And then if I go left 100, back 50, you can see that it immediately does what you ask. But this isn't really a script, this is just like a command line. Don't worry. You can also use it in the code window. To do that, just press File, New File, and then, yeah. So, of course, you have to start the, what's it called? The thing, I forgot what it's called. You have to start the thing from turtle import asterisk, and then you can just do, whatever you want. To draw a triangle, you can go forward, an amount. I don't know exactly what a triangle might, look like, but we can try it. Right, 20. Yeah, I don't know how to draw a triangle. Forward 30. Right, 20. Forward 30. And if all is well, it should draw a triangle. I don't know, maybe it will. Let's find out. I don't know how to draw a triangle. Oh wow, that did not draw a triangle. I could draw a square though. Squares are easier. Forward 100, right 90, forward 100, sorry, not 200, but 100, right 90, forward 100, not 1,000, 100, right 90, forward 100, and that's it. Run module, save, and it draws a square. I know how to draw a square. And we can draw a rectangle by going 200 here and 200 right here. Save that, run it, and it draws a rectangle. It's so wide that it goes off the screen, but it did draw a rectangle. We can figure this out by changing the 200 to 150 both times and running it again. And we get a square. Not a square, a rectangle. Okay, let's try drawing a circle. I don't have no idea if this is gonna work. I've never done it before. But let's just go while true with a capital T, colon, forward 1. Let's make it a little bit more. Let's make it 5. We'll make it a low resolution circle. Right 10, why not? And this should draw a circle. Let's find out what happens. Okay, save. And yep, it draws a circle. There's only one thing that I would like to fix, and that is that I did not make it sleep, so it could crash my computer. So from time import sleep, and then down here we can go sleep 0.1. That way it won't crash the computer. As you can see here, it runs a teeny bit slower, but it doesn't like lag at all. It's very even. So yeah, that's how you draw a circle, a square, and a rectangle in the turtle. You can draw all kinds of crazy shapes. You can even draw random shapes that the computer just like makes up with, you know, from random import random. From random import random. And then you just go forward, randant, and then in parentheses, the smallest number, comma the biggest number. So I'm going to do 1, 200. And then right, randant, 1, comma, 360. And let's run that code. See what happens. Run module, save, and it's just randomly drawing. It's pretty great. This is fun to watch. And that is how you make your Python turtle draw randomly. And you can play around with this a lot, so that's how you use Python turtles. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And buy my merch at cukmekerb.gq and click on shop. You can buy these 3 shirts. I know they're really boring. But you can make them less boring by getting them as a sweater. And remember that water has feelings too. Don't drink it. Wow, you made it this far in the video. Now you get to watch the turtle.